Okay. Binary operation. Binary operation is nothing but also in the chapter relations and functions. In chapter relations and functions. Binary operation is also a function. First thing before going to learn this, that you know that the binary before going to learn the binary operations. First thing is that what is meant by Cartesian product of the two sets that you know, A cross A or A cross B. So binary operation is just like additions, subtractions, multiplications we are having. Like that, a binary operation is also an operation which is having some expression between them. Suppose if you are taking this, you are having A plus B. This is addition. A plus B is nothing but addition. Like that, instead of the addition and A minus B, you are going to subtract it. And A into B, multiplication. A divided by B, division. Okay. So like that, you are going to have A cross B. A cross B. So A cross B is nothing but here it will be defined with another way. So this is cross will be defined as a function. This is a function that it is star, some star or whatever it may be the symbol is written. It is a function from it is defined on a set A. Suppose it is defined on a set A. Binary operation on a set A is defined as from the Cartesian product of the set to the A. So this is nothing but here Cartesian A comma B to set A means that is nothing but this will be defined in different ways. In one problem it will be given as a plus B minus 2 expression will be given or A divided by 2 or B divided by 2 will be given. So I am simplifying this. What you are going to get, suppose A and B, A cross A, why it is taken here? A cross A means an ordered pair. It is a Cartesian product of the two sets. It is a Cartesian product of the two sets. And Cartesian product of the two sets, whenever you are considering, it is defined as Cartesian product of the two sets. A comma B will be taken into consideration. When you take the A comma B into the consideration here, and A cross B will be A cross B. So this is a function, just like a F B. F consider. You may consider it as a F or G or any other function also. So it is called the binary operation. This is will give the one single number. That's why it is given set A. So as an example, whenever you consider that, one example let us take into consider. One example let us take into consider. Suppose it is given that set A is containing the elements 1, 2, 3. Set A is containing the elements 1, 2, 3. Now what you have, A cross A is nothing but you are going to have an order by 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, and 3, 3. So these are the orders. So now here a star means one binary operation is defined from A cross A to A in such a way that A cross B is equals to A plus B minus 2. Suppose if it is given to you like this. Now here, whenever you take into consider, A cross B is equals to A plus B minus 2 if it is given. So that is when suppose if it is 1 cross 1 if you want to find it. 1 cross 1 if you want to find it. So what do you get here? 1 plus 1 minus 2 which is equals to 0. But 0 is not there in this set. It should be compulsory present in that. So like that the definition will be given to you. Suppose if it is given to you here instead of 1 minus 1. So that is nothing but here 1 you are going to get. Then you are going to get it as a 1. So that is nothing but this 1 comma 1 is related to the 1. That means suppose it is a function here. It is a function. So in the function what you are going to have here, you are going to have an order base 1 comma 2 like this. And here you are going to have this is A cross A and this is A. A cross A to A is a function. And that function is defined, it should be defined as a function. When it is defined only function, then you can say that A cross A to A. So A cross A to A when it is defined and it is denoted by the A cross B, star symbol will be, and star symbol will be defined in different ways. Either it will be given as A plus B minus 1 or A plus B minus 2, A divided by 2. So it is called as a binary operation. So on this binary operation, we are going to have the different properties here. What are the properties? We have commutative property, associative property, and distributive property. Properties will be there. Just like we are going to have the properties in normal case of the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So now let us go for the exercise 1.4. So based on this, we are going to have the exercise 1.4. Okay. So the question is given to you. Determine whether or not each of the following definitions star given below. So that is nothing but one definition is given as a binary operation. Gives the binary operation. In the event of the star is not a binary operation, give your justification. That is, star is a binary operation, hoga, nahi hoga, then you have to define it. That is nothing but just now we have taken. When that operation is like A plus B minus 2, whenever we are taking A plus B minus 2 means we are not getting 0, we are getting 0, and 0 is not present there. That is nothing but 1 comma 1 is not related to anyone. The previous example, just in the previous example answer. So now here, the first question is given to you, this question. So on Z plus, question I am reading here, on Z plus, define a star. Z plus is nothing but positive integers. So it's defined by, this star is defined by A star B is equals to A minus B. So whether it is a binary operation or not. No, it's not a binary operation. Why? Because normally you think that two positive integers you take. Any two positive integers. Give again a positive integer. This compulsory should be belongs to Z plus. It is defined on Z plus. That is nothing but this binary operation is defined on Z plus cross Z plus to Z plus. That is nothing but the final answer, whatever you are going to operate after operation, again you need to get the positive integer. So that is nothing but when you do this operation, whatever it is, here it is given to you. Whenever you perform this operation, A minus B, any two positive integers you take, again you will get a positive integer? No. Subtracting. And subtracting, because A minus B is given here. So A minus B is given, but on subtracting this, you can say that these are not different. Why? Because if you take the positive integers as a 1 and 2, 1 star 2, as an example, you can take 1 star 2, you take here. When you take the 1 star 2, 1 minus 2, which is equals to minus 1. So this is does not belong to the positive integers. It does not belong to the positive integers. Therefore, you can say that it is not a binary operation. Okay? So whether it is a binary operation or not. So second one, whenever you are taking. So here it is given that on Z plus. Star is given as A star B is defined as AB. Yes, it is a binary operation. Why? Because product of any two positive integers is again a positive integer. Product of any two positive integer is again positive integer. So therefore you can say that this is a binary operation. Like that, one situation is given. If it is binary operation, if it is not binary operation, justification like this you have to give. One example. Because here you can say that in this situation, the product of any two, one statement you can write that product of any two positive integers is again a positive integer. So since the product of any two positive integers is again positive integer, you can say that this is a binary operation. So like that, whenever you see third question is given on set of the real numbers. Defined on a set of the real numbers. That is nothing but R cross R to R. And it is, see, don't consider that always the star symbol only will be given to you. It may be given to you any other symbol, some V or X, binary operation. Just like F also. Sometimes it is a function. We used to write the function like this, F from A to B. We used to write the function as F from A to B normally. So when you write F from A to B, you can consider it as F from A to B. So like that, here instead of this function, you are going to, this set, you are going to have the other space. That is Cartesian product of the two sets. Here F placement star we are writing. Here in this place A translate to E. This is, it should be a function. So what is normally function? You need to know that function definition is what? Every element of the domain should have the unique image in P. Only one image should be there in P. That is a function definition. So when you take that function definition into consideration like that, you are good. So it should be a function. Suppose here you are taking 1 and 2. That is nothing but here in this situation, 1 comma 2 is not at all related to any element because we are going 1 comma 2 is getting -1. So in the domain 1 comma 2 is there, but in the codomain -1 is not there. So 1 comma 2 is having no image, so empty. So every element should have some image to be a function. To be a function, every element to have a function. So on real numbers, third question is given that a star b, like this one question is given to you, and the remaining you can do it, is equals to a b square is given. Obviously, this is a binary operation product whenever you are taking, and the fourth question is given to you as a star b is equals to modulus of a minus b. A star b is equals to modulus of a minus b. Modulus of a minus b, mod is nothing but obviously it is a positive. It gives the positive number. So we are going to get the positive number so that it is a binary operation. So fifth one is given to you. A star b is equals to a itself. It is also binary operation. So in these 5 questions, we are having the statistics.
Only 3 out of 19. Very good. You all came in mass?
Yes.
Good. So we are not conducting online नहीं चल रहा है?
ऑनलाइन नहीं चल रहा है सर. ऑनलाइन So this is the definition of the binary operation and example based on the binary operation. Okay. So next second question, whenever you are seeing here, very interesting questions will be there. You are going to form the table, tabular format will be there here. Okay. So in this exercise, second question is given for each of the following below. Determine whether it is a binary operation commutative and associative. So commutative property, you know that. Commutative property is nothing but A plus B is equal to, suppose plus is a binary operation you are taking into consider. A plus B is equals to B plus A. A star B is equals to B star A. Whether it is already it is given that they are the binary operations. Okay. It is given that already they are binary operations. So now here whether they are commutative or associative or not, you need to decide. Associative property is nothing but which is associative property, which is commutative property. I will explain. Suppose if A star B is equals to B star A, If A star B is equals to B star A, then you can say that this star is binary operation star. Whenever you are taking binary operation star is satisfying the commutative property. Okay, associative property is nothing but A star B star C is equals to A star B star C. This is associative property. If star is different as a binary operation. So now here the first question is given to you. A star B is different as A minus B. And you may get doubt here. Sir, A minus B is not a binary operation. It is not a binary operation and set up the positive integers. But it is a binary operation. The question is given to you. This is on Z. Means integers. And integers it is a binary operation because difference of any two integers is again integer. Either it may be a positive or negative. Either it may be a positive or negative. It is again a binary operation. So again negative integer you are going to get. Suppose if you make the 1 comma 2, 1 minus 2 minus 1 integer. 2 3 2 minus 3 minus 1 integer. 3 2 3 minus 2 plus 1, that is also an integer. So you are going to get an integer. Suppose if it is given as a by B, no, it is not a binary operation. Already in the question it is given that they are binary operations. But I am explaining to you that whether it is a binary operation or you have to identify it. Okay. So after that here, A star B is equals to A. Whether it is a commutative property satisfies or not? No. Why? Very simple here. A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Suppose here A star B is equals to A minus B. B star A is equals to B minus A. A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Now, difference of two numbers is not equal to you are going to. So, since you can say that A minus B is not equals to B minus A star B is not equals to B star A. Therefore, you can say that it is not a this binary operation is not satisfying the commutative property. This binary operation is not satisfying the commutative property. Okay? And associative property also as well as associative property is say here in this place you are going to get B minus C. So normally A star B star C is equals to A minus B minus C. And A star B star C is equals to A minus B in the brackets minus C. So these both are not equal. You take the one example, 1, 2, 3 numbers you take and simplify it. You are not going to get equal. Because whenever you find this one, you are going to get A minus B plus C. And this is A minus B minus C. Both are not equal. So these both are not equal, so it is not satisfying the associative property. So like that one question is given to you in whether it satisfies the commutative property, a commutative property and an associative property. You have to check the given binary operations will satisfy the associative commutative and associative property or not. This is for commutative property. That's why I didn't explain to you starting. Starting when the polar commutative binary operations have some properties like a commutative property, associative property, identity. There will be an identity element. Identity element means there exists some element E such that A star E is equals to E star A is equals to A. There exists one element E in the binary means in that set such that A star E is equals to E star A is equals to again A. So just like one binary operation previously is given that A star B is equals to A. In the previous exercise it is given. But here B star A also, if it is also equal to A, then you can say that A is an identity element. Identity element. So identity element also will be there, but in this exercise here only given to you property, associative property and commutative property. Second question is given to you on Q. A star B is equals to AB plus 1. So commutative property satisfy करने के लिए first what you have to check A star B find out. What do you get? AB plus 1. B star A what do you get here? BA plus 1. AB plus 1 is equals to BA plus 1. AB plus 1 is equals to BA plus 1. So what you get here? Therefore, you can say that since you can write that AB plus 1 is equals to BA plus 1. You can say that A star B is equals to A star A. Commutative property satisfied. In the same way, you need associative property if you want to check A star B star C. You need to find it. So how do we find out? First B star C. So A star B star C is nothing but BC plus 1 as per the definition. Here consider. ये थोड़ा सा confuse हो सकता है BC plus 1. Now A completely B. A star B is defined as per the definition AB plus 1. So here what will be here? A into this B plus 1. ये समझ में आया? ये star B is defined as a AB plus 1. A into something is equals to A into something plus 1. So here A into something है. ये some other, yes, this you consider as B. So A into B plus 1. So this is the way to write the commutative property or whatever it may be. The definition, as per the definition, you are writing. And this is equals to A, B, C plus A plus 1 you are going to get it. And simplifying it. A multiplied inside. Okay. Now this should be equals to this part. So A find out. A star B star C. So what do you get? A to AB plus 1 हो जाएगा. ये AB plus 1 है ना as per the definition. And star C. This is A, this is B. So what do you write here? AB plus 1 plus C into C plus 1. Okay. So now on multiplying this C to here, ABC plus C plus 1 you are getting. Here ABC plus A plus 1, ABC plus C plus 1. So these both are not equal. Therefore, it is satisfying the commutative property but not associative property. This is a way to solve the problems. The remaining problems are also given to you like this only, that you can do that. The third question is given that A star B is equals to AB by 2. Definition. This is third question. And it is defined, sir, you said that AB by 2 whenever it is given, but it is given on Q. Rational numbers. This is given on rational numbers. Rational numbers में तो product of two rational numbers and divided by 2 again a rational number. You are not going to get any other number. Rational तो नहीं है. So ये तो because it is not necessary to us to check in this situation whether it is a binary operation or not. Whether it is a binary operation or not, you are not no need to check. So what we can write here, A star B is equals to A by 2. So same way, A star B is equals to B star A, I think you will get it. Commutative property will satisfy. Because A star B is equals to AB by 2. B star A is equals to BA by 2. AB by 2, BA by 2 are equal. So commutative property. Associative property also like this, you have to check. I think you can check it. So it's not very difficult to you. So the remaining problems, in the remaining problems, last sixth problem is little bit different. That I will explain. See here, all the problems are not possible to explain here. So that's why some difficult problems I am explaining. So sixth question is given to you. Question number 6. R minus, it is defined on R minus minus 1. So excluding this, and it is defined as A star B is equals to A by B plus 1. Set up the real numbers minus 1. Because minus 1 is not, why it is not included? Because if you take the B value minus 1, denominator becomes 0, and denominator becomes 0 is nothing but undefined. The function is not defined. This function is not defined. Function only, just like a function only. Function in the what way you get. But here we call it as a binary operation. Why? Because an ordered pair to one single element is taken into consideration. One ordered pair to single element is taken. So A star B is equals to A by B plus 1. So now here A star B is equals to A by B plus 1. B star A is equals to B by A plus 1. ये दोनों equal नहीं है. Simple problem है. So equal नहीं है तो commutative property satisfied. Next, distributive property, sorry, associative property also in the same way you can check. Now the question is given to you. We need to form the binary operation. We need to form the binary operation. Third question. Okay? So it is given the some definition and you need to form the binary operation. Okay? So the question is given to you here. Third question. Answer set. This is symbol is given to you. I already told that binary operation means not only the star, any symbol. So consider the binary operation on this. Binary operation is this one. On the set, one set is given to you. It is not given as a. Let us consider it as a given set as a. So on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So defined by A, this symbol, binary operation is equals to minimum of AB. Minimum of AB. So write the binary operation table of the binary operation table of this one. So how do we write the table? Binary operation table. That is important here. I mean we need to form the binary operation. Suppose nothing but what is this binary operation means 1, 1 will be there. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. Because 1, 1 whenever you are taking, this is related to what? Minimum of 1, 1 itself. 1, 2 whenever it is, because the definition is given 1. But if you write like this, here we are having the 5 elements are there. So 25 will we are going to 25 writing is, that's why the binary operation will be written in the form of the table. The table, how do you write it? That is important. See, like this one symbol will be taken here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you write in a horizontal, and here you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here 1, 1, minimum of these two. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1. समझ में आ रहा है ना? So 1, 1 is related to 1, 1, 2 is related to 1, 1, 3 is related to 1. 2, 1 if you take 1, 2, 2 if you take 2, 2, 3 if you take 2, 2, 2. 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. 3, 3. 4 if you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 5 if you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So like this. This is binary operation. Now we have defined, and this set whatever it is given to you, that is defined. So like this binary operation, you have to, this is called binary operation table. So next thing is given that the remaining all the questions are in the exercise, whatever it is given, very simple exercises. Let us see here, fourth question is given that consider the one binary operation given by the following table. One table is given. Okay, so the table I will draw here, and the table in that question. Compute 2, 3, 2 star 3, 4. I will explain to you. Question number 4. So the table is given to you here. Star, say 1, 2, 3, 4. Previous one only. I have erased it. So the question is given to you the previous one only. Star 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, but here it is given to you all ones. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. No, not previous ones. 1, 1, 3, 1, 1. 1, 2, 1, 4, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 5. Now I am asking you to compute 2 star 3. Star 4. Can you compute it? 2 star 3 is nothing but A. 2 star 3. The value is 1. So here 1 you get 1 star 4. This is equals to 1 star. Now 1 star 4. 1 star 4 is 1. So this is present 1. And asking you to find out again 2 star 3 star 4. Commutative property check कर रहे हैं. Sorry, associative property. Associative property. Now what to do here? This is 2 as it is, you have to write star 3 star 4. 3 star 4 value is 1. And 2 star 1. 2 star 1 value is 1. And here, by seeing this, you cannot say that it is satisfied. This star is satisfying the associative property because only one situation we have taken. It is not generalized. It is not generalized. It is only taken the one. But in the question, it is asking you to compute that values. And now here the question is asking. Second question is asking whether this star is commutative or not. Whether it is commutative or not. Commutative or not, how do you identify? 1 star 2 and 2 star 1. 1 star 2 is nothing but these two same only. 1 star 3 and 3 star 1. ये दोनों same है. Okay. And 1 3 whenever you have 1 4 if you take this one and 4 1 same. This same. 1 0. 2 if you are taking into 1 2 3 2 3 this one. And 3 2 this one same, and 2 4 4 2 same, 2 5 5 2 5 2 same. So like this you have to check, and all the cases it satisfies only, then you can say it is commutative. Otherwise you cannot say that commutative. Next, afterwards it is asking you to compute the other value 2 star 3 star 4 star 5 like this. 2 star 3 star, first 2 star 3 find out. 2 star 3 is nothing but 2 3 is 1 star 4 star 5 4 star 5. This is 1 star 1 again 1. This is equals to 1. Like this binary operation is given to you and asking you to find out the next thing is given that star is a binary operation on the set defined as a star b is equals to HCF. A star b is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 only, and ये दोनों का HCF इधर लिखना है, HCF. So is that star is a binary operation and star is defined in the exercise number 4 above. Justify your answer. Means in this whatever it is given, it is binary operation or not. Justify your answer is the question. So like this, whatever the questions are given to you in this exercise, the remaining all easily you can do it. It's not very difficult to you. Let us take into consider the eleventh question. One question which is a very important examination pattern. Previously asked the question so many number of times. This question is asked. Please concentrate this question. Okay, this one question I will explain to you. Then after I come to it. The question is given to you. Set let A is equals to n cross n. Natural numbers cross product of natural numbers. And star is a binary operation defined on A. It is a defined on A. So that is nothing but defined on A is nothing but ordered pair cross ordered pair again. Don't get confused with this. Here A is an ordered pair, set of the elements which contains the ordered pairs. It is defined on A such that A comma B star C comma D. In the previous problems, what? Only here we are taking only one element. Are you getting my point? Here we are taking only one element, but here we are taking ordered pairs. Why? Because it is defined on A. So that is nothing but actually it is defined like this. So this is nothing but here n cross n cross n cross n to n cross n. ये ordered pair cross ordered pair. So in this domain you are going to have ordered pairs to ordered pair, like, but it is defined as A plus C, comma B plus D. This is defined. So then the question is asking to you to here in this, show that this is commutative and associative. Find the identity element for this star. ठीक है, ये commutative prove करना है, associative prove करना है. And if it is existing any identity element, what is that identity element, you need to find it.
दोनों प्रूफ करना और बताना है.
Yes. So here A star B is equal to, first what to do here, we need to prove that commutative prove करने के लिए A comma B star C comma D should be is equals to C comma D star A comma B. This one we need to prove. Here in this particularly in this problem, instead of the single element, you are going to have the ordered pairs as an element. That should be. So first we will find out this one. A star B star C comma D is equals to, as per the definition, A plus sum of the first two are elements and second two elements. C star C comma D star A comma B is equals to C plus A D plus. So these both are equal. It is commutative. Okay. So associative length ज़्यादा होगा. Problem length is a little bit more, but it is clear. So it is commutative. Now associative problem is length. Associative, what to do here? We need to take another extra one element. Actually, wherever associative we are taking A star, B star, C we are taking. In this place one ordered pair, here another ordered pair, here another ordered pair. So we need to take the A place name. I am going to take A star, A comma B star in the brackets, C comma D star E comma F. This should be equals to, the bracket will be shifted to here. So let us first find out this part. So what you get here, A star B star. In this what you are going to get, as per the definition, C plus E, C plus E, D plus F. Now here this is equals to A plus C plus E, sum of the first x coordinates, sum of the y coordinates, B plus D plus F. Now this should be is equals to what here, A comma B star C comma D in the brackets, first two elements should be taken in the brackets A. This is equals to, sorry, into star E comma F. So this is equals to, as per the definition here, A plus C, A plus C, B plus D, B plus D, star E comma F. So when you take this one, A plus C plus E, B plus D plus F. So both are equal. So it is satisfied. These two are equal. Therefore, it is satisfied the associative property. Now, how do we find out the identity element? Here, if there exists any identity element, asking you to find out that identity element. So here it is given to you, natural numbers to natural number is given. So actually, if it is existing identity element exists for it, let us consider that identity element as B comma D. Suppose A comma B ka C comma D, sorry, C comma D is only identity element. So as per the definition, what here identity is nothing but A star E is equals to E star, A is equals to A. So in the place of A, I will take A comma B star. Here in this place, if you are getting confused, I am taking E comma F. This should be is equals to E comma F star A comma B should be is equals to A comma B. If this is possible, any element like this, if it is existing, any element if it is like this existing in the this then you can say that this. So A star B, A comma B star A comma F is equals to A comma B. होना है, we need to find out E and F. We need to find out E and F. So E and F finally, as per the definition, what you get here, A plus E, B plus F is equals to A comma B. So from this, A plus E is equals to A, B plus F is equals to B. So E is equals to 0, F is equals to 0. So 0 comma 0. But 0 comma 0 is not in our set because natural numbers is given. This is possible if it is given whole numbers. If it is given whole numbers here, it is possible. So since it is given natural numbers, 0 comma 0 does not belong to A. Simply A you can, it is given to you A. N cross N also you can write. So therefore there is no identity element in the given set. Okay, so like this is the binary operations completely and problems based on a binary operations. So actually